Ever stared at your phone, heart pounding, wondering if you have enough GrabPay to cover that mouth-watering food delivery? Or maybe you're about to hail a ride and a sudden pang of doubt hits you. Is there enough cash in your virtual wallet? Well, let's end that suspense once and for all. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of your GrabPay balance. We're going to uncover every nook and cranny of that digital piggy bank of yours. So, buckle up, because this is about to get real. Imagine this: you're on the brink of ordering that extra-large pizza, loaded with all the toppings. But wait, a tiny voice in your head whispers, "Do you even have enough GrabPay?" The horror. The suspense. We've all been there. That's why knowing your GrabPay balance isn't just convenient, it's essential. It's like knowing your bank account balance, but without the endless queues and complicated statements. So, how do you actually check this vital information? Well, there are a few ways to do it. Let's start with the most obvious one, the Grab app. It's like your personal financial wizard, always there to cast a spell on your money matters. Open the app and look for that magical icon that looks like a wallet. Tap on it, and voila! There it is, your GrabPay balance, staring back at you like a treasure chest waiting to be explored. But what if you're old school and prefer things a bit more tangible? Well, Grab has you covered there too. You can actually request a GrabPay statement. It's like having a mini financial report right in your hands. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the settings section of your Grab app. It's usually hidden away like a secret passage, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Once you find the settings, look for the communications option. There, you'll discover the magical power to summon your GrabPay statement. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do with this information. Knowing your GrabPay balance is like having a superpower. You can plan your spending, avoid those embarrassing moments when you try to pay and realize you're broke, and even track your expenses. It's like having a personal finance guru in your pocket, without the hefty fee. But wait, there's more. GrabPay is more than just a digital wallet. It's a gateway to a world of convenience. You can use it to pay for rides, food, shopping, and even send money to friends. It's like having a universal currency for your everyday life. And knowing your balance ensures you can make the most of this digital magic. So, there you have it. Checking your GrabPay balance is no longer a mystery. It's as easy as tapping a few buttons or requesting a statement. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to conquer the world of cashless transactions. You can order that pizza with confidence, hail a ride without worry, and enjoy the freedom of a digital wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.